Hello and welcome. This explained that in this tutorial on how to download your Threads app by Instagram step by step. So first up, open up your Google Play Store. Be sure to be already logged into your Google account so that you can download stuff there. So tap on the search icon, then search on Threads. In here, you'll see the black and white icon there, made by Instagram or Meta. So download it. You can also join to their beta account if they already have slots available for you. But here is just the normal way of downloading it. So just wait for it to be downloaded, and after that, just tap on open, and there you go. It will prompt you to the opening site. In here, you can either go log in using your Instagram or create your new one in there as well. And that's about it. It should take you to their guide as well in using your Threads account on Explain That as well. So that's how to download Threads app by Instagram step by step. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.